We're at Broadway at the beach. We're in the evening part of the day, so we thought we'd walk around with you and share our experience. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos and travel videos, be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you won't miss anything. Here's Ron John's Surf Shop. So as you can see, there's plenty of people here in the off season. Lots of work going on here at Broadway. As you can see, this isn't the first we've seen. We've been walking around a little bit already, and they've added these new palm trees, and they're doing a lot of improvements in the off season, but the crowds are still here. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, people in shorts, and so a lot of people are enjoying the beach. There's Extreme Pizza and Landry's. Landry's still hiring. They have had that hiring sign up for a while now. Lots of kids enjoying the dragonfly jump. And sorry that we're facing into the sun, but we've got this nice view of WonderWorks here. We've got the Beast going over there at Pavilion Central, and this lovely view across the lake. There's an up-close view of WonderWorks, and just behind it is Pavilion West, I believe. And the Ferris wheel is running. All the rides are running today. It is very busy over here at Pavilion West. Wow. Ferris wheel is looking gorgeous. But look at all these people. Lots of people here. And here we are over by the Grumpy Monk. We do have a review of this. We actually have 2 reviews of this restaurant. We have an updated one that just came out recently. I will link to that in the description below. Over here we've got Southern Candle and Toy Island. And you can see the helicopter up there. The helicopter tours are running today. We've seen quite a few. I think this nice weather has brought people here to the beach. It feels more like on season. Lots and lots of people. We've got Broadway T-shirt company, and then over here we've got Ben & Jerry's. Here's Gemini clothing and shoes and jewelry. We've got Bird's Famous Cookies. They're fairly new to Broadway at the beach. Retroactive. And Coastal Outfitters. And here's the Build-A-Bear Workshop, which is always popular. And then let's go over to Pavilion Central and check out the rides. There's a long line of people waiting for tickets. And we have seen the rides running from a distance. Let's go up here and see if we can catch some of them up close. We've got the classic swings, the slide, and of course everyone's favorite, the Beast. Unfortunately the sun is right behind it. We'll go to the other side. And Rock and Roll, which is like a Himalaya style ride, and then we have this right ahead is sort of like a Gravitron, very similar. So lots of classic rides, and then we also have this ride which is much more modern. And then in the very back we've got Speed XXL. Goes way up behind this. I'll get a closer view of that. Here's Speed XXL. It does not look like it's running even though the lights are on. Actually, there's an employee over there, so I guess just no one's riding it right now. You could actually see the ocean from the top of that ride. Here go the swings. They are taking off. Nothing beats the classic swings, and I love the retro art on this. Here's Rock and Roll up close, and I love the car in the front. It's a fun ride. Now Beast is taking off. And here's Quiet Storm, and if you remember when this was Department 56, leave us a comment below. We missed Department 56 there. No offense to Quiet Storm, we just love Department 56. And then here's It's Sugar. Let's pop in there real quick. And of course they always have loud music, so I may have to put some music behind this, but here's what It's Sugar looks like. Is this legit, or is this what Americans think UK snacks are?
Overpriced.
We've got Clig's Kites, the Christmas shop at the beach. We Are Sweets. Got cats and dogs. I'm actually surprised some of these kiosks aren't open today because like I said, it's so busy today. We did notice that Heroes and Villains has closed over at Barefoot Landing, but they are still open here at Broadway at the beach. Looks like Joe's Crab Shack is getting some renovations, but it also looks like it's still open. So I guess they're working while they're open. And the Simpsons 4D Theater is right here, followed by the Quickie Mart. And if you're new here and you haven't heard us talk about this before, the Quickie Mart is open. You can go in if you didn't see the show. It's just a gift shop, but they have some really cool Simpsons themed merchandise. So if you love the Simpsons, it's a great place to pop into, and it's free. They have made some massive progress on the Hangout, which is this new building right behind the construction walls. We'll go around the corner here and get a much better view. All right, we've got the demolishing of parts of the old Dragon's Lair golf course happening even as we speak. So it looks like they are definitely going to get rid of these old pieces of the Dragon's Lair golf course. Also, there is the new Hangout building. They are definitely making quick progress of that as well. Here's that quintessential view across the lake at Broadway at the beach, and they've actually got the boats out running today as well. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a like. So this is good to see. They have finally torn down that area that burned. If you remember, we did a video about how this caught on fire right here. They're rebuilding that. There's Margaritaville. There's the Hampton Inn, and we did stay there, and we have a full video including a room tour, so I'll link that in the description below. But more exciting, it was hidden behind this big Hangout building. They are redoing the little buildings that used to be here in Pavilion East, so I assume that is going to turn into what they're calling the Key West shops, and I'm sure there'll be more shops as well, but that's exciting to see. Here's another view of the construction. It's some loud construction. They are actively working on the Hangout building. All right, this is a feeding frenzy right here. And seagulls. And over here is Ripley's Aquarium, which is always fun. Oh, this weather is just so gorgeous. We're on the other side. We got Palmetto Paradise, we got Splash, Bath and Body, we've got the T-shirt connection, and here is Paula Dean's Family Kitchen. We have not eaten here, but if you have, let us know if you liked it. Now we're up to Krabby Jack's General Store. All right, someone has moved into the old Victoria's Secret location. It's Jester's Jewels. Let's go in and take a look. So this is brand new. Got Del Sol, and then Ride Makers, and Roosters is still closed, as is the Key West Grill. Still no word on what's coming there next. And also we still got the construction walls up at Johnny Rockets with no news as to what's coming next there either. We are now to the Avenue District, and we've got Hard Rock, we've got American Tap House, Wahlburgers, and also at the end you've got Dave and Buster's. I think we will pop in there, and you've got Bar Louie and Crocodile Rocks. Let's pop into Dave and Buster's and check things out. As you can see, Dave and Buster's is packed. I mean, this is definitely the place to be today. Lots and lots of people, lots of fun going on. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.